Another day, another catch, eh, son?
Let's hope for a good haul today.
Hey, we'll find them. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Patience is key. Oh, today down. Heave off. Ah. We struck gold. Whoa. These are prime specimens.
Wow, look at this one. Where?
Time to head home.
Let me give you a hand. Handle them gently. These are the best quality. Freshness is everything.
Keeps them fresh as the sea.
All hands on deck.
Oh no! Wake one!
$50 for this one.
Too much, I'll give you 30.
Come on, 40 is fair.
That sole just came in this morning. Freshest catch we've had all week.
I'm leaning towards the snapper. Look at the colour on this one.
Yes, but the gills on that mackerel seem brighter.
Here you are. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, it looks wonderful.
Keep basting that. I need plates ready for pickup in 2 minutes. Move it.
Another day done? Could be. Wow. Got to keep the nets in good shape.
Dinner's almost ready.
This fish is delicious. Back in my day, the sea was a different beast.
It sounds incredible.
Let's do it again.